This tutorial will teach you the step-by-step process for making a fleece-lined cowl scarf with a clasp closure. I used flannel for the main fabric and then a fleece backing to make it softer to wear. You can download the pattern for free at the link below, no email address required. So this is actually a pretty simple scarf. So the first thing that you need to do is sew the front and the back of the scarf with right sides together. Make sure to leave a small gap in the center so that you can turn it to the right side. Before turning it, you want to make sure that you clip the corners. Clip as close to the stitches as you can without actually cutting them. And then turn the scarf to the right side. Then you want to press the seam and sew the gap. I also chose to top stitch the scarf by sewing a 1/4 inch in all the way around. This just keeps the edges nice and crisp over time. Now you want to place the clasp. Now I've included notations on the pattern for where to place the toggle clasp, but because people have different size necks and shoulders, this actually might be slightly different on you. So use this for reference, but I actually recommend trying the cowl scarf on to determine where the optimal placement is for your scarf. After you've marked where you want to place your clasp, all you have to do is sew it on, and then your scarf is finished.